taping.
Ow! I do press it?
No, I...
You're howling all over it.
Come on, Snitchy, do something.
That's what I did at Reaper's room when I scared people.
Come on, Snitchies.
Snitches! What?
Thank you. You're really beautiful, you know that?
Chris, you're really beautiful.
Oh, you're really beautiful. Oh, I love you, man. You're so gay. Oh, I'm so gay. I'll stick it right there.
Ow! The tombstone's beating my ass!
Beat whose ass?
The tombstone's beating my ass.
Beating your cheeks?
Beating my cheeks.
Chris beats his meat all day, every day. Right, Chris?
What's up? You beat your meat every day.
Beat my meat every day. Oh, yeah, dude.
Every day.
I'm the king of...
Put this out on my tongue.
I'm the masturbation king.
I can put it on my tongue too.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm the masturbation king. You beat my meat. I masturbate more than anybody ever in the whole world. I masturbate all day long, 24/7.
I'll put it out anywhere if you give me $10.
And
I don't care where you say.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Is it recording or is it not?
You're not going to be able to see anything.
As it records while
Way
it's
too dark.
recording you. As it records while it's recording you, you can only see voices. You cut the audio off so you can't see who we're killing and why.
Why will we kill them?
Who was it?
Is it showing up?
Where did it
Showing up. That's
Okay,
just
awesome.
a little bit.
Get it out of my face.
Get it in your face. Here, touch it.
You should turn the camera off. Save battery power and
This is upside down right now. And I don't know why it is upside down, but it is.